This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas and some medium black paint and a paint chip that I want to spread on both sides with my omelette turning and flip and fold spatula that you can find on my Amazon link. Best paint spreading tool I know of. I don't know if anybody's buying them anymore, but I don't care because it's just the best tool. Get some stuff out of my way. So I'd like this to be wet, and I just did a smaller version. I keep upping the ante and changing up different aspects of what I'm doing. I have a new color from Primary Elements to me, and it's called Ginger Flower, and it's very similar to the family that I've been working with, which is Passion, and the Hot Orchid, which is Jasmine. And this time I'm thinking that I'm just going to swipe one side and see how that works, because I don't mind the idea of having a whole dark side. Coming to the dark side. Let's see how that goes. And I've been using up some Artist Loft white paint that I had mixed. It had lumps. I had to filter it out. I'll just take some of this away. Put it right there. And cover this edge too. Yeah, I love my spatulas. There's no doubt about it. Kind of like to lead this one edge down toward the center in an uneven way. I think I need a little more paint here. I used a card to swipe with last time. A lot of times I'll use a palette knife. Sometimes I'll use one of my spatulas. The OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula by Good Grips is also an excellent swiping tool. And this is taking me way too long. I wish I'd done it in advance. Way. But the swiping itself will be pretty quick. I'm going to use some Mayan Gold and the Ginger Flower, that's the Primary Elements mixed with Vivid Polypore, and some Jo Sonja varnish and some GAC 800 by Golden that keeps my paint from cracking. I'm wondering if I should have heavier paint down there. Well, I'm going to take a chance and not worry about it. I say that, but you can't trust me because I'm just compelled sometimes. That's gone in the bucket. That might be a lot more of that than I need, considering that I'm only considering I'm only going to one side. Which is not something I do regularly, so that in itself is an experiment. This is my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I like that it's small and somewhat unobtrusive, so now we shall see. Oh boy. Let's go with the Ginger Flower underneath. Let's give a quick torch. Very quick. I kind of want some Misty Veil too. I just spotted that, which is a gray. Don't ask me why, just for another color. A lot of times these things wind up looking like dancers, which is kind of interesting. I'm not sure how that's going to work this time. I do see that dog hair. I did finally find my tweezers, for those of you who have been following my tale of woe. I lost them for a few days and I was very sad. They're on my Amazon link too. I recommend them highly. So that is the new Ginger Flower. This is Mayan Gold. And I realize that I need something right up here. because I'm not used to doing this in this process. I've got some orange crush and I'm thinking that that's going in there. Both down at the bottom. That's not coming out very quickly. And at the top. And what else? I've got some poinsettia standing by, and that might be a interesting combination. I kept thinking about the blue velvet. That might be really nice, actually. Let's take a chance. It looks nice now. I like it now. Alright, so now it's a choice between the palette knife and my spatula, and I think I'm going to start with the palette knife. Wow. I'm going to take some white, Amsterdam white, and Aussie Floetrol to start with. It might be the perfect amount of paint on there, actually. And I'm loving those cells. I've got a nice studio rag to wipe off my painty. Wow, that white was underneath. That looked pretty cool. Let's try it the opposite way and see what happens. Black goes down first and the white goes on after this time. Tip's a little clogged, which is conveniently keeping it from overflowing. That is gorgeous. I want this to all go down to that tip. Wipe it off again. This might be over really fast. I'm thinking about putting some spirals in here for sure. Because I can. Hey, that's the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. I'm liking all that. So I like the first stripe first, the white underneath, but I want to continue and jump back and forth, so I'm going to do what I did just now again. And then if there's enough paint, and I think there is, I might tip. Just drag that paint right down there. I lost some paint and I don't want to let it go. So let's give a little tip. Should we go both ways? Maybe. I don't think I can get that to go all the way to the bottom no matter what I do, so I'm not going to do that. This looks too much like a ghost. We'll fix that with a little wrecking. Glad I put that blue in there. I really like it. Let's put some tendrils. I like tendrils. I don't get to use them often enough. If I have some spare paint, I might want to pick it up, put it down at the bottom here. few dots might not hurt either. Now that I'm here, and like that. I like filling in my little keyholes with tendrils too. Oh, I destroyed a really cute little heart. Alright, I really like that. I have some tremendous cells. I'm loving my ginger flower from Primary Elements. Look for the 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Underneath Show More sometimes. It's worth having. A look at all of the wonderful choices of Primary Elements, as well as Prizm Pours, which have accompanying Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel to mix them with. They don't come mixed, but I like mixing paint to my own specifications. Steal a little bit of this and that here and there. Steal a little bit of that ginger flower. It's a party. Everybody's in costume. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. I'm going to shimmer this at you, hopefully. That's fun. Those are great colors. I like this. I might throw the odd spiral still. It can happen. It happens often actually. Very cool. Let's go this way. There we go. Check that out. I will be doing that again. Loving, loving, loving that ginger flower. Definitely a good combination with the blue velvet and the orange crush and even the poinsettia, which is going to get spiraled. Excellent. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree underneath Show More on the video for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. For my Amazon link has my 2 books on it. Because I can in Unlimited Possibilities, I want that to be more centered. So I can zoom in as much as possible for you. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments always help me out. They boost my morale and they help my status on YouTube. I really appreciate you guys being here. I hope you come again. I have over 2,500 videos and they are organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you need a link, ask me. And if you don't want to ask me, then go to my YouTube channel and go to playlists, all playlists, and then creative playlists, and you'll find them there. Excuse me, got to take a deep breath. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I would like to sell some art, and I have in the past. I haven't lately, but I'd love to. So please feel free to make an inquiry using my email address. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments, and thank you for the donations through PayPal that have helped keep me painting all this time. The icon for PayPal is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And should you happen to use it, you'll have either a 15-minute free consultation for 30 days from the time of your donation, or you'll know that the new drawing is coming about soon. Yes, I did. I stole some paint and I might do it again. Alright, I told you guys to take care of each other. I'll tell you one thing, I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. I'll be checking for any gaps and filling them in. I just found one. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.